Hey guys, Ruby here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now, if you're anything like me, you probably spend most of your days lounging around the house in your pajamas thinking about what your next snack is going to be and trying to remember what day of the week it is. What day of the week is it? Some days you might have the urge to do something productive, but you're not really sure what to even do. As a wedding photographer, there are loads of things that we can do to prepare for our busy season. Yes, there will be a busy season. It is coming, people. If you're someone who has ever needed a nice surface to take a photo on, then this video is for you. If you are a wedding photographer, you have probably experienced getting to a venue and having the girls be getting ready. You go off to shoot your details and you realize that all that the venue has to offer are dirty, ugly carpets, weird linoleum, nothing that fits your brand, nothing that looks elegant enough for your flat lay. We are going to solve that problem for you today. All you need to create this flat lay styling board is a canvas, the colored paint of your choice, a container of spackle, and a putty knife. That is all you need to solve your flat lay woes. Again, this works great for wedding photographers who need something to create gorgeous flat lays, but this will also be perfect for content creators who need a surface for food photos or a small business owner who needs a place to take product shots. It's cheap, it's easy, and it works great. Let's go ahead and get started. Now, do not be alarmed by the color here. This will dry white. All right, I'm just gonna start spreading the spackle out. I'm just gonna try to get the whole surface covered before I worry about the texture. All right, now that my board is covered, I'm going to work the texture. You know, you can make it as smooth or as chunky as you want it to be. So just have a little fun with it and then leave it to dry once it's done. I hope you guys loved this video. Remember, it is totally okay if you do not feel productive. We are all going through a trauma, and if you just feel like kicking it in your pajamas and watching Netflix all day, then go for it. But if you are feeling like doing something productive, this is a great way to help alleviate some stress once the busy season comes. If you haven't yet, I would love it if you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks so much for watching.